Hey guys, and what's good? This is Raymond from the Farm Dream, and today we are working on the dream. So today we're gonna do some more work on the front yard. I first want to clean out all the stones from the soil, and then we'll go from there. So that was a long day of work, but we finally have it done. The entire front yard is ready to be turned into a farm. I want to show you guys the plan, so let's look at that. So as you can see on the blueprint, we will have a border surrounding the front of the garden. And behind that we will have two mini gardens. On the side, on the border with our neighbor, we will put up one fence, and on that fence we will grow tomatoes. But to make it a little bit easier for you and for us to see what we're actually going to create, I've got these bamboo sticks. I'm going to poke them in the ground, and I'm gonna run a rope in between them so we can see what we actually have to work with, what the actual spacing will be, and how much we need in wood. Let's get started. Right, so here is the rough outlining done. Let me walk you through it. So on the outline we have a raised bed, which will be about 40 centimeters high. And in here we will plant all our normal plants, just some plants that will attract butterflies, bees and stuff like that. Then within that we will have two beds, so that's one bed. The other one is now currently filled with bags of debris that we still need to take out. But it gives you quite a good idea. They're about 1 meter by 2 meters, so that will be just fine. And then over there we will have our rack, which will just be standing right there, and we just fill it up with tomatoes. So that's the basic plan, and the idea is to have everything made out of wood. So we're just trying to order some wood as we speak, and yeah, this is the basic concept. So we decided to go outside for a little bit to do the propagation. We just ordered all the wood, and can you run us through the seeds for today?
Yeah, so we're gonna do some spinach, some peppers, some spring onions, some tomatoes, some beetroot, then Raymond's favorite, iceberg lettuce, some carrots, and then the cherry tomatoes. So
to start things off, we're gonna do 6 pots of all. We don't have that big of a spot to put them now. Yeah, let's just fill them all with sand. Yeah. Right, so we have labels, and I'm just gonna start writing the labels, and you can slowly start filling up stuff with seeds, and we'll just go our way. So all the propagation is now done. We're gonna put these in the front window, and we're just gonna set them there. It's the 17th of March today, and we're just gonna follow them along and give you guys updates when needed. Yeah, see how they grow. So to finish off today, I want to go and start on our calendar for the year. We about know what the sizes will be of our gardens, so we're just going to fill them, and I'm going to go through all the seeds we have and see what we're going to put where at what time. So I've been spending quite some time in getting this planning together. It's not fully done yet, but I just want to try to explain what I'm trying to do here. So the main goal is to figure out how long it will take from our propagation all the way to harvesting for each plant. And then I also took a look at what's the best period for all these plants to grow. So it might be some are more suitable to plant early, and some are more suitable to plant later in the year. Putting that all together, I'm now going to make a list and looking at the maps I have, because in the front yard we'll have some space and we'll have some space in the backyard. I'm just going to combine all the spots and see what I'm going to plant where, so I know when I have to do all my propagation and when I need to plant them outside. So yesterday we did all the propagation and we also ordered the wood for the front yard, but we also wanted to start working on the backyard now. So the main goal is to enlarge the side raised bed, make it as large as the one in the back over there, and then also we're going to create a raised bed on that side of the garden. That will be in the shade and it will have sun for about 2 or 3 hours a day when it's full summer. So to start it off, we want to start on this side and take out 2 rows of the stones here. And we're just going to try to use some brutal force for that and see if we can get them out. We have got these blue tiles in the garden and it's just one line, and we took it out at the other side, so we're just going to take it out on this side as well, as you can see Nicole doing. So we're just going to fill it up with the white tiles and it will look way better. So we opened up a spot on this side of the garden. All the blue tiles we've replaced, and we opened up all that part over there. So what's left now is take out the border and put in a wooden border just as the front garden. But for today, this was about it. Nicole, anything to say?
No, I'm tired.
Tired, just tired. So we're just gonna head out and we'll see you guys tomorrow. So I've been scooping some sand out over there and I'm just trying to see if there's anything underneath my yellow sand. And as far as I can see, we have some black sand. It's about 30 centimeters deep, about 1 foot. So I'm just gonna take out all the yellow sand and then I will add some compost on top of that and we can start farming. So as you guys can see in the back there, I'm done scooping. All the yellow sand is out. It is in a big pile over there. I just want to go and till everything now and turn it over and get all the last remaining sand, put it underneath the black sand. We can add our compost on top and then we're ready to start farming. Right, so that's me done. That's a lot of till action. That was a lot of work, but I'm happy that we've done it. There's some grass here and there, and we're just going to scoop the rest of the edge and scoop it into the other part, and then we'll be done. We're just going to add some compost on top, and it will be ready to go. So as you can probably see in the background, the sun is setting, and that's also the end of this vlog. So it was quite a week. We did a lot of work, but at the same time there's still so much more to do. Next week we will start working on this border a little bit more. Also the front yard, the wood will be delivered if I'm right. So that's exciting, and we're just gonna start and create all the farms that we want to create. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Stay tuned for the next one. Watch these other videos if you want to see more. See you guys in the next video, and don't forget to live the farm dream.